I'm Lisa Shaffer, and I'm the founder and CEO of Paw Print Genetics. Our parent company is Genetic Veterinary Sciences, and under that parent company we have 4 brands. The first is Paw Print Genetics, and Paw Print does breed-specific testing for dogs, whereas the Canine Health Check is a genetic screen, and we do 255 different mutations on any breed of dog. The third product is the CAT scan. And the CAT scan is, again, a genetic screen, and we do more than 75 different diseases and traits in cats. And the last is Avian DX, and that is sex identification in birds, where you can't tell the difference by just looking at them, which ones are the males and which ones are the females. After I sold my last company, I was hoping to continue to do something in genetics. And so we did some market research and looked at what was being done for dogs as far as genetic testing, and we found that there was a lot of gaps in the industry. And one of the gaps that we set out to fill was one-stop shopping. And in fact, when we launched the company, we offered 86 different mutations, which was the most that anybody in the world offered. And now we offer almost 300 different mutations, which again is the largest menu in the world. And so people can find whatever they're looking for to test for in their dog. Honestly, if we hadn't found any gaps, we wouldn't have started Paw Print Genetics, but we found a lot of gaps. So for one thing, each laboratory only offered a handful of tests. Why wasn't there a lab that offered everything? So we wanted to be one-stop shopping. No laboratory offered breed-specific panels. I didn't know what to order on my dachshund. So what do you order on a dachshund? Well, that's why we created breed-specific pages, to make it easy for the consumer to say, oh, this is what I need for my dachshund. I don't need to be testing Labrador diseases. And then we wanted to make it easy to use. So I was very surprised that one company had me fill in all my information on their website, and then when I got the sample kit, it had a blank sheet and they wanted all my information again. We have computers. We should be filling in the information once and it should save it. So we were the first actually to start with online accounts, and we have some very large accounts. We do a lot of testing, actually we do all the testing for assistance dogs in the United States, and they have all of their genetic information there on every dog they've ever tested with us. So Spokane is a great place to have a business. There are 4 universities here, and when hiring talent, we've never had trouble hiring people. Cost of living is low. We've never had an issue identifying a place where we can have our laboratory. If you live in Spokane, within 45 minutes you can be on the mountain. So lots of skiing and fishing and hunting, and we live on a ranch and we're only 5 minutes from town. So I mean, you can have land and still be close to everything that's happening in Spokane.